Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well today. I am doing a little haul today. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. This is a Beauty Bay haul, and this is my first order from Beauty Bay. I feel like I say this for every single haul that I do. So I've just done a morph haul as well, which is my first ever haul with them. But yeah, this is my first ever Beauty Bay haul. I bought mainly Revolution things, but I would love to show you what I got. And if you want to see, make sure you stick around. I feel like after I actually placed this order, I've now kind of got a little bit of an obsession with Beauty Bay. I've just seen so many people doing Beauty Bay hauls lately that I was like, oh my god, I need to order from them. And I've not had my Superdrug fix in a while. Superdrug is one of them shops. Superdrug is like one of my favourite stores ever because it's so cheap and you can get some really good items in there too. So when I actually realised that Superdrug was sold on Beauty Bay, because I kind of knew that Beauty Bay sold like different brands and that kind of thing, but I didn't realise it actually had like Superdrug stuff too. So when I actually realised it did, I was looking through the website for hours. My basket was something like £300 in it. And I managed to narrow it down a little bit, but this is everything that I got. So this is the most practical item that I got, so I'm going to start with this one first. This is the Revolution Matte Fix Oil Control Fixing Spray. I feel like I've had so many problems with like my forehead being like feeling so oily. Like my skin's okay, like my skin can sometimes be a bit dry, but I've been using my moisturiser a lot more now. But my issue mainly has been like the top of my head, like this little area here has just been quite oily. So I thought I'd get this one, and this is supposed to control. I've only tried this out once so far and it seems to do the job. It seems to be pretty good. I'm not a fan of my lighting right now, but I don't even have curtains or anything, so I'm improvising. But yeah, I'm really a fan of this. This is really good. I'm not sure how much it was, but I will get the prices up and I'll see what I can do with that. But yeah, this one is really good. Next one I got, I didn't even mean to get this. It is an for a highlight. It's a mini highlight rodeo drive, it's called. And I didn't even mean to, well, I did mean to get it, but I didn't realise what it was. I saw it and I was like, oh, that's such a cute highlight. And it was quite expensive, I remember. It wasn't the cheapest highlight in the world. And then it came in this box. I was like, what's this? I was like, what is this? I don't remember ordering it. And then when I opened it up, I realised it was a highlight. But if you see, it's so small. I didn't realise how small it was at the time. But honestly, the first time I used this, I could not believe it. It's so good. It's extreme high pigment on it. This is what it looks like. It's so nice. Honestly, I'm so in love. It's like a goldy shimmer and it's so pretty. And I really like it. I also love how it's got a little mini mirror on it too. And I love it. It's such a good product. And I'm so glad I got it. I didn't mean to, obviously, but I'm actually really glad that I did. I'm so annoyed on my light. I'm literally sat on my feet right now. I'm like squatted down because obviously I'm having my room redone. If you didn't know, I'm having my room redone right now. So I'm having to like, improvise and I'm filming and I'm literally sat on my toes right now and it really hurts. So the next item I got was this pink clay detoxifying mask. It's a face mask and I'm so in love. It smells amazing. Hi! So yeah, this is the face mask that I got. And I'm just super in love with it. It smells amazing. He's literally sat between my legs right now. I can't move. Okay, he's gone. That's cool. So this is the face mask that I got and it smells absolutely amazing. There's so much in this as well. My issue with face masks is that sometimes I feel like you sometimes get too much in the packet and I feel like I'm wasting it. So I like try wrap it up so I'm not like wasting the rest of it because I only use like half sometimes. And like with my, I might only use like do some on my face, like I might only do like my forehead or like my eyes down, like under my eyes, or I try like separate out. So I think this is really good. Basically, I think this is really good because you can just use as much as you want and then seal it up and use the rest later on. Plus, it just smells amazing. I love the little colour. You can't really see it with the lighting, but I love the colour of it. It's such a nice little pink colour and it's got a little safety. In case it leaks, it's got like a little cap on the top, which is really good. And this is what it looks like inside. It is so good. I could not recommend this enough. I really want to do like a skincare routine video because I've got so much that I now use in my skincare routine. Like things like this and just kind of do like a pamper night maybe, I'm not sure. But yeah, that's something I'm really interested in filming soon. I'm going to move on to one of my palettes now. This one looks incredible. On the website, you can't actually see the outside of the palettes, but this is gorgeous. It's the Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette and it is so nice. Which kind of just makes sense now. You can kind of see the wings on the outside. So this is the inside of the palette. I'm not a massive fan of pressed glitters, I'll be honest. Kind of went over this in a massive like 5-minute rant on my morph haul. And so there's 2 pressed glitters in this one, which are these 2 here, but they are really gorgeous shades, so I might just have to use them anyway. I just can't get over this palette. Look at how vibrant and how bright it is, and the colours are just the pop so much. This is such a great palette. Like, I won't be able to do a full eye look using this palette.
Or maybe I will.
But I just think with this palette, it's so bright and there's so many different colours, and that you could literally just have any colour like this palette. Like, it's not really missed a colour off apart from black, which is a bit too dull to be in this palette. But I feel like you can use any of these as like a main shade for your eyes or anything like that. There's 3 shimmery shades and the rest are matte apart from these 2 here, Lovebirds and Rio, which are the pressed glitters. I'm just super in love with it. This is what it looks like a bit more up close. I just love this one here, which is Tail Feather. This is so nice. I think this would go really nice with like an orange and a mango to make like a nice little sunset look. There's just so many really lovely colours that I would love to try out in a video maybe one day. So the next palette that I got was the Roxy palette. This is a Revolution Roxy palette. This is the highlight and contour one. And the outside packaging is absolutely gorgeous. It's so lovely. It's just such a nice little, got like a really gorgeous pink and gold theme. And then as soon as, look at how gorgeous this is. For those of you who know me, will know that rose gold is like my favourite colour ever. So as soon as I opened this, I loved it. I was so happy because it's so pretty. So I think this is absolutely stunning. It's such a pretty colour. And on the back, it's like a really nice pastel-y, pinky, nude shade, which goes really well. And a little rose gold sticker telling you about the palette too. And then when you open it up, it's so pretty. I love the mirror. I'll start with the mirror. I love this. It's like a full size one, and I hate it when you get like a palette and the mirror is like like that big and it's like, well, what's that gonna do? So I love the fact that it's like full size, like maximum size it could be. And then if you see here, you've got 4 contour shades, which are so gorgeous, and 4 highlight shades. And I love when you get like different shades for your contour in a palette. It's not just like one shade you get, because you can like blend it in and do more with it. And I love these little shades here. I've got more into gold highlight at the moment, Lily, so I'm super excited to try this one out. And I don't really use pink highlight apart from like if I'm going out somewhere and I've got like a pink eye look, I might use pink highlight. So maybe this is one that I can like try out more. But they are so shimmery and so pretty. And if I swatch them, you can't see because of the lighting at the moment, because I would have tried to show you with my Morph haul, but you just cannot see with the lighting. But they are super pigmented and super gorgeous. So I definitely recommend this palette. I then have the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Full Coverage Eyeshadow Base in the shade Illustrate. This is what it looks like a bit more close, and I'm in love with this. This looks so good. I've never really tried a cut crease before properly, and I know a lot of people do, and it's something that's really in trend and really in fashion right now. So I really want to get more into my eyeshadow anyway, and kind of learn how to do more looks and just improve my technique. So I thought this is like the next step for me, is one of these, because they just look really good. I also love the little lid, and it's so cute, the rose gold. It goes with the Roxy palette, which is really pretty. So I love this, and if you open it up, the applicator is like nothing what I expected it to be. So if you look at it up close, it's kind of like a really hard but really thin brush. It's really strange. So I also got the Fierce Wild Animal palette, which is this one here. I love the packaging and the design in this one. I've seen this one in store before, but I've never actually swatched it or looked inside it. So when I realised it was this one, I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. So this is what it looks like inside. So it's like this, and it's actually textured, so you can feel like the lines on it, like it's like an actually a tiger, which is really cool. It says Revolution in gold writing, which you can't really see that well, but it does say that. And so it looks like on the back. It's got your little numbers matching up the palette, like shades, and so it looks like on the inside, which you can see my grubby fingerprints off that. But these shades are actually stunning. I love them so much. The mirror is so nice. It's a full one, like it's a full size one all the way to the edge, which I prefer, and I always think they're better. And if you can see the shades, they are just so gorgeous. I love the glitters. The glitters, there are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 glitters, and the rest, there's 18 in total. 7 glitters, 11 matte, and they're all so stunning. I love this one. This is like a weird gold shade. It's really nice. I've never tried something like that before. There's just so many gorgeous shades and colours here. I love the pinks and the oranges. They make some really nice sunset looks, I think. But I just love this palette so much. So I've just had to go and tackle the dog and deal with him, and the sun has moved. This is the only spot I can get with my face in the sun. It's horrendous, but we're going to have to deal with it because we have no curtains. Okay, so my last item from the haul was this Revolution palette. Whoa, you can't see it. Whereas this Revolution palette here, this is so cute, so pretty, and I just kind of liked it because it's got a lot of like greys and blacks and dark colours. It's got quite a few shiny colours in it too, and it's got 12 shades altogether. Oh no, it doesn't actually, that's a lie. It's got 15 shades altogether, This is the palette a bit more up close. I love this pink shade at the bottom here. You can't even see it because the lighting. There we go. I love this pink shade here at the bottom. And this black's really nice. It's like a shiny black as well. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 of them are glitter shimmers and the rest are matte. But they are so, so nice. This grey here is so gorgeous. And this one here too, I think they make such a pretty look. It's like a bluey grey, really, really nice. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video despite my lighting hating me. I hope you've enjoyed this. I have definitely enjoyed filming this with you guys, and I'm definitely going to be placing another Beauty Bay order very soon, which is really dangerous about hauls because I think going about all these items and I end up spending more money and buying more things and doing another haul. It's a very vicious circle on my bank account. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys! What has he got? Betty, what have you got? Can I see? What have you got? Can I see?